Captain Comprehension presents Making Inferences. Sometimes, the person who writes something doesn't tell us everything we need to know. They deliberately leave information out. This means we have to use what we already know to figure out the missing information. This is called inferring or making inferences. It's something you already know how to do. Let me show you how. Look at this picture of one of our favorite books, The Gruffalo's Child. Can you tell by looking at the picture if the child is a boy or a girl? Now, read the sentence from the book. The Gruffalo's child was feeling brave, so she tiptoed out of the Gruffalo cave. Can you tell me now if the Gruffalo's child is a boy or a girl? Yes, you can. You can infer that the Gruffalo's child is a girl because the author writes she. We know that she is used to speak about girls. Do you see how we managed to figure that out, even though the author didn't tell you directly that the Gruffalo's child is a girl? Well done, comprehension cadets! When we are trying to understand what we are reading, we sometimes have to use the superpower of inferring to help us understand what we are reading. Let's see how many clues you can crack in the exercise.